Let's wait. I think it's only 6 students we have in the class right now, I think. Guys, please kindly mute yourself. So we'll start in class next in 2 minutes of time, 8:05 sharp. Guys, please kindly mute yourselves. Okay, guys, I think we should start now. So I think today's content will be this input-output devices, and we'll discuss also about the operating systems. Okay. So first of all, input-output devices we are discussing right now. And yesterday we have talked about this particular process. Today we're going to cover up about the basic input devices. Okay. First of all, as we know that the input devices are basically used in order to actually communicate to a computer, giving instructions to them. Okay. So that is about the basic functionality of a person giving instructions to the computer, and accordingly they are performing the task. Output devices is whatever the information which we are expecting from the computer, they are actually providing to the to the customer or the user. That is basically called the output devices. Okay. Now, basic input devices consist of your keyboard, mouse, digital camera, scanners. So I think in the last session itself, we have discussed about the keyboards as well. Usually when we discuss about the keyboards, keyboard usually consists of at least 101 to 105 keys. The standard keyboard I'm talking right now. Okay, and with the basic features of keyboard, we can say everyone knows about it, I think so. Usually we are using the QWERTY keyboards, and this particular keyboard allows the word, punctuation, numbers, word, punctuation, numbers, symbols, special functionalities as well. Depends on the type of computer and type of keyboard you are using it out. Okay, so you can say there's a basic function. I think everyone might have seen that as well, even though if you're using the laptop right now with you, definitely you might be able to see about the different alphabet, numbers, special functionality, and depends on type of computer as well. You might have a different functions available in your system. Have a look, guys. I think it's very simple as well. Guys, clear? Very simple, I think. Yes, friend. Shall we move? Next one, we have mouse, I think so. Okay. And we have different type of mouse available in the market as well. You can see that the wheel mouse, cordless mouse. Okay. So it's a very basic functionality. And this wheel mouse consists of USB port, and wireless mouse consists of the sensor through which it can receive or take the data. Okay. The help of infrared signals, it basically works. You might have used both type of mouse in your life as well, might be.
Sir, now new mouse is there, that wireless mouse.
Yes, it's cordless. Yes, it is cordless mouse.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
What are the different operations we can perform through the help of mouse? I think clicking left and right, double click as well. It helps to click and drag the data as well. Okay, so that is a basic functionality. With the help of mouse, we can initiate and we can proceed. That is what the uses of mouse, the actions of mouse which you can perform. Clear, guys? Very simple.
Clear, sir.
Then we have the pointing devices. That is called touch screens. Even that touch screen we always use in many places nowadays when it's come to your computers, ATMs, movie ticket booking, online, like when we visit even to the cafes like McD, Pizza Hut, even Inox cinemas, PVR cinemas, you have that touch screen available. The pointing device, it is called exactly. Okay. You can access all the information. You can actually go through with all the information. So that is again one of the important part of touchscreen. Now, what touchscreen is all about? Definitely, it is used at you could say bank, as I told you, information kiosk. Even like recently, it is used in cafes and other aspect as well in order to access the information. Okay, like same you can find it on the airports as well. Okay, just to print your boarding pass. Okay, so that is I think the touchscreen which we are using it right now. Have a look, guys. I think any particular point is not clear. Then the problems of touchscreen which we have actually. Okay, if anything you can experience that touchscreen, you could say default or issues when we're using ATM especially. Okay, it's not properly work. The sensors are not properly working actually. Okay, so that is again one of the issue which we always face with touchscreens. It gets greasy, jammy.
Sir, actually, it gets hanging. Sometimes it gets hang.
Yes, definitely. Yes. Now we'll move to the next part. It is about the indirect pointing devices. Okay, which includes your trackball, track point, touchpad, and basically indirect pointing device consists of, you can see these all these points. Okay, that is tracker ball, tracker pad, track point. Even like being a faculty as well, we also use that touchpad. Okay, whenever I have to explain anything when it comes to numerical, I can actually write in on my you could say touchpad, and everything which is written or everything is actually visible to the students online over the screen. So that is again the utility of the indirect pointing devices.
Hello. Yes, sir. Hi, Amit, sir. Are you listening?
Yeah, Prashant, please tell me.
Sir, I interrupted you one thing. Sir, I am a MBA student. Is this subject is related to my subject, my course?
Prashant, you need to clarify regarding your like which particular specialization you opted. I think.
I'm looking for a marketing.
So as of now, I don't know exactly whether this subject belongs to your syllabus.
Preeti ma'am the link.
Pardon?
Preeti ma'am send me the link. for
Okay.
this computer fundamental course.
Okay, because we are on the midpoint of
What
this.
is my sorry?
Yeah, we are at the midpoint of this particular syllabus. Okay.
And ma'am, sir, I have a doubt. That's I call you.
No, no.
That in this subject is related to my course.
नहीं रहे अभी अभी सुना मैं थोड़ा
I think there's a lot of disturbance. I think Prashanta, just give me a minute, please. I think Prashanta, you can do one thing. You can contact to Preeti madam. I think she will be the one who can guide you whether this subject belongs to your track or not.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then I left this course class. Okay.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, I think these track balls are very simple. It's clear as well.
clear sir
Joystick, it's used for gaming purpose. I think you might have used, I think, in your life, whenever you're going for the playing stations as well, kid zone as well, you'll always find the joystick available over there. Okay, just to play different games over the screens. Even nowadays, I think if you might have observed about that virtual reality games. Okay, so that is again one of the new innovation when it's come to indirect pointing devices. I hope so. Very simple and clear.
sir
Microphone are very simple. I think that right now I'm discussing with you. I'm definitely using my microphone in order to talk to you. In order to my voice is reaching to you just because of the microphone. Okay, so you must have a sound card into your system first of all. Okay, and definitely there should be some input mechanism, it's a device through which you can actually insert the voice in the system and it will reach to your concerned users. Simple, I think, guys.
clear sir
Yeah, sure. Next one, we have audio input speech recognition. Okay. So generally, I think it's very common that you have that special softwares available, and with the help of which you can actually put your audio into system, like when it comes to even recording as well. So there are certain softwares available with the help of it is a microphone only. Okay, with the microphone only, you can actually record your voice as well into the system. It's very common nowadays, I think so. Clear, I think. Then we have this microphone speech recognition process. Okay, how exactly it works. From one to the speech, to the words, and to the microphone. Speech recognition board is there. Recorded into binary form. That binary form converted into the vocabulary. Vocabulary actually displayed on the screen. Have a look there. I think it's very simple as well.
clear sir
Yeah.